Hello everybody, Swaminath here. Today we are going to see SAP S4HANA implementation in automobile industry, key focus areas. What are the key focus areas we have to concentrate? This is part one. Part two, one more video I will upload. The first one, organizational structure alignment. Design scalable structure, company code, plant. There can be more than one plant. In any country, if you are implementing any project, there can be more than one plant. And there's more than one plant can have more than one storage location. Now, create purchase organization and purchasing group. All these are all you have to get the requirement gathering. You have to do proper requirement gathering for the business from the stakeholders. And then you start doing it in IDES, that is sandbox, and get it signed off and then do the same, replicate the same in golden box. This is what the process is. Next, material master management. Okay. Raw material, halb, semi-finished, finished goods, packaging. So for raw material, you need to create a separate valuation class. For semi-finished, you need to create a separate valuation class, and finished goods, you need to create a separate valuation class. A link has been provided in the description. Check the link. What types of material and valuation and account assignment. Two videos I have provided. One for raw material, another one for finished goods. Valuation and account assignment. So this is very, very important. This also you have to get it signed off from the stakeholders or from the business. So you have to do the same thing. You have to configure it in IDES, that is sandbox, and get it signed off, and then to replicate it in golden box. Next, inventory management and MRP. Use consumption-based planning or MRP for raw materials and components. Automate stock replenishment via reorder point or forecasting. Leverage batch management and valuation tips. Inventory management and MRP. Next, vendor management. Use source list, info records. Vendor evaluation. Manage tier 1 and tier 2 suppliers with separate source determination. Maintain vendor supplier master number range configuration for specific parts. Next, procurement process automation. Enable automatic PO generation for purchase from purchase requisition. A link has been provided in the description. Check that. This is the link. Utilize scheduling agreement with release order for JIT deliveries. Release strategies. Utilize release strategies. Integrate MM with EWM or WM for inbound logistics and goods receipt process. If there is any packaging involved, create a packaging material. If it is external, create an external packaging material number range. If it is internal, create an internal number range packaging material. Get whether it is an internal or external, get the sign off from the stakeholders or from the business. And same, this vendor master number range, material master number range, info record number range, all get it signed off from the stakeholders. You have to get the you have to do proper requirement gathering from the business, from the stakeholders, from the clients. And then you have to do all the configurations in the sandbox, that is IDES, and replicate the same in the golden box. And then get it signed off from the golden box and transport it to the test client for testers evaluation, testers testing. They create a test scripts, that is test cases, and then they give the sign off to the requirement, and finally it will be transported to the production. This is what the process is. Thank you.